Good evening, everybody. My name is Nathan Daggett, and today, in honor of Father's Day, I'm going to tell you just a few of the best dad jokes that I can. So, went down to the library the other day, tried to get a reservation. Turns out you can't get one anymore. They're fully booked. The other day, my son told me that when he grows up, he's hoping to study abroad. I asked him if he had a particular broad in mind. Y'all ever heard about the cheese that saved the world? It turns out it was pretty legendary. Oh, you see what I did there. The other day, I went to a restaurant, and they brought me a soft drink, and the straw, you guys, the straw was broken. You know what I decided at that moment? I decided I am giving up. I'm not using straws anymore. That was the final straw. So this year's been really interesting. A lot of people are starting businesses at home. I actually started a business at home myself. I'm making yachts in my attic. The sales are going through the roof. The other day, my child actually threw a soda can at my head, you guys. Don't worry, I'm fine. It didn't hurt much. It was a soft drink. I got a new blender the other day, you guys. I'm not really sure if I like it yet. It keeps on giving me mixed results. You know, as a father, it's our job to help our children learn to face their fears. And in order to do that, I think I have to face some of my own. And I'm fairly afraid of elevators, truth be told. But don't worry, lately I've been taking steps to avoid them. You guys see that article in the newspaper the other day about the penguin they arrested? It's suspected of murder. What really surprised me is they denied the penguin bail, which is weird to me because I was always pretty sure that penguins aren't even a flight risk. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this ridiculous content piece. Dad jokes are always kind of a fun way to celebrate, but sincerely, happy Father's Day from all of us here at Live Bearded. Drop a comment below. Let us know your favorite dad joke. Thanks for tuning in and for the support. And as always, live bearded, brother.